Everybody fucking jump!
All right, everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. It's you time. Let's get a little bit of box action. See, these boxes, folks, it's easy. This one reads the women's Air Jordan 1 mid, white pomegranate and white, aka the reverse Chicago's. I think some people are calling this the Chicago's reimagined. I don't know if this shoe is popular or not. I had the men's version. It wasn't that popular, but I like it. Those were called the OG Heritage. Materials on this shoe are actually maybe a little bit better than the OG Heritage. Or at least equal. This is a Jordan 1 mid, so I don't know how this one is going to do. If anybody's going to pick this one up, let me know if you guys are trying to pick this one up. Can't see why the ladies wouldn't want this one. Our small feet gang who could fit it. It's basically the same as the OG Heritage, only in a low model instead of a high. Well, not a low, I'm sorry, I apologize, a mid instead of a high, guys. But I also have this shoe in a low as well. I just recently got it. A shoe that looks similar. No, there's some staining on the bottom of this one. Yeah, it's okay. But I hope you guys can make that out. Let me get that up close up there for you. Got some white powder on here. It's only a staring pair for me, so it's not so bad. But make sure you check yours out, though. If you got that white powder or paint on the bottom, that affects you. I apologize. Like I said, Nike, you got to do some better quality control. Let me get you guys a little top view. Nothing in the shoe. Really, like I said, I don't really like white shoes myself, but all white Nike shoe basically. To a red Nike swoosh break up. To a red Jordan logo up top. Put a little hint of red right here as well for you because it's a mid. Standard Jordan back. All white with a red break up at the mid-level and top. Couldn't see this before, but it's like a silk sock liner in there for you guys if that matters to you. Same thing on this side of the shoe as the other. Pomegranate bottom. They messed mine up though with the white powder or paint all over the bottom. The quality control on this shoe isn't the best. But still a Jordan 1, so you know I had to get it. Okay, you guys, look at the shoe, what it's going to look like when it's on your feet. You know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. You know what shoes you guys are buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day. I hope yours don't come with white paint on the bottom like mine did.
Everybody fucking jump!